All hail the beard, it's your boy Big Beard B, and we back for another edition of Big Beard Business. Today we are back with yet another very special unboxing, man. Listen, so I've been looking high and low across the mountaintops for the fragrance that I'm talking to you guys about today because one, it's new. Two, I knew you guys wanted to see it. Three, I've been getting like messages like, with the fragrance, review it. I'm like, damn, you're so aggressive. Like, why you treating me like that? Like, I am the aggressor in the situation here. But I finally have it, man. But it's been a long journey to get it. And you guys probably like, whoa, what is it? Just look at the title, okay? But no, this fragrance comes from the house of Chanel, and this one is Bleu De Chanel Parfum. Now listen, I've had samples of this one, but not much, man. I had like a little tester, so I didn't get to rock it too much. It was like a few sprays of it. But today, my friends, we get to dissect it. So what you have here is Bleu De Chanel. You know what? I did an unboxing and somebody sent me a message that says, shout out for the yellow sticker. I'm like, what does the yellow sticker mean? He's like, oh, that means you paid for it. It's not free. I'm like, oh, okay, I can see that. All right. So, I know you guys are gonna wanna see everything here, so I wanna make sure that you get the proper presentation, all right? So, what you have here is a bluish black box. It's like black, huh? Yeah, it's like a deep blue black box. This is 100 ml, 3.4 fluid ounces. For this one, it was 150 smackaroos, all right? Chanel at the top. That's your presentation. All right, guys, so this is the 2018 release of Bleu De Chanel Parfum. Listen, man, you guys been waiting for this one. You probably haven't been waiting now because everyone else and their mama has a review on this one now, and I'm kind of just strolling on in all late. I told them that too. I'm like, look, y'all gonna make me late. Like, I'm gonna have to switch cities because you guys are always late, and I'm limited on what I can buy. Never mind. I digress. All right, here you go. Same magnetic top as always, but let's get into this juice, man. Like, fire! This is fire flames. My son just screamed. Like, what is going on here? This one, ladies and gentlemen, is flames. It's taking my voice away. 3 words for this one outside of fire and flame is smooth, fresh, and inviting. This one here, man, I'm happy to have this one in the collection. Previously, I've stated that the 1 Million Lucky was the best designer release for 2018 so far, and I think it's been dethroned. Like, I don't know how this one truly performs yet, like on skin out of the bottle here. That one, 1 Million to me, performs great. But this one, initial sprays from my little testing with it, man, they did an amazing job with this one. Obviously, now that I have it in the collection, I can do some wearings, I can do some official testing, right, and get you guys the full review. But I wanted to definitely get the unboxing here for you guys, man. You need to get this one in your collection. If you have not smelled it, make sure you go and, get your nose on it. If you are in a tier 2 market like me, so here you go. Let me explain this to you guys, why it takes so long for stuff to get here, right? I'm in a tier 2 market. Pretty much what that means to you guys, man, is like there's money here, but there's not a lot of people here. So it just trickles in. Like New York, man, tier 1, boom, all day. Los Angeles, tier 1, all day. You got money and people. Or you got money, but just not a lot of people here. This one's dope. Let me know what you guys think about this one. Have you had an opportunity to smell it? What are your initial thoughts and opinions? This one's like woody. It's aromatic, everything that you can expect from Chanel, man. Chanel does fragrances so well. As I told you guys before, man, Chanel Allure Homme Edition Blanc, amazing. I think Timmy always talks about one of those Chanel fragrances. He's into them too, man. They are dope. They do this really well. Top of the line when it comes to this designer game. I'm happy to have this one in the collection. Full review coming soon. Comment below and let me know your initial thoughts on this one, man. This one is fire and flame. Comment below and let your boy know. So there you guys have it, man. My initial thoughts on this one. I'm a little under the weather right now, so don't mind me. I'm your boy, Big Beard B. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend that we are back. Okay, and hit the goddamn bell because I'm here, man. Even if I can't talk, I'm gonna put it in subtitles, goddamn it. Hit it!